Welcome back to IQ+GK Lab. Choose the luxury cars of your dreams in this video. Ready for challenge? Before starting, please subscribe to my channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's start. First challenge.
Would you rather Phantom or Mulsanne?
Maybach or 7 Series? Comment your choice. Choose one, Urus or Curose. Comment your choice. Would you rather DB12 or Gran Turismo? Which is your favorite, Taken or RS e-tron? Pick one. What's your choice? Would you rather Plaid or Lucid Air? McLaren GT or Rama? Which is your favorite?
Would you rather Range Rover or G-Wagon?
Would you rather Celestiq or i7? LS500 or G90? What do you choose? Would you rather Ghost or Flying Spur? Pick one for this. Evo or Coira? A8 or XJ? Would you rather SF90 or Aventador? Comment your selected car. EQS or X? Pick one, kick one. Conti GT or Vantage? .911 turbo or R8? Not easy. Artura or 296 GTB? LC500 or Q60 Red? Cullinan or Bentayga? Levante or Cayenne GT? AMG GT or M8? Portofino or Huracan Spider? Which is your choice? GV80 or RX500H? Would you rather Q8 e-tron or XM? Escalade V or Navigator? Which is your favorite? DBX707 or Urus Perf? Velar or Mach-E GTS? Pick one, kick one. Would you rather bolide or gemera? Would you rather Spectre or Gravity? S-Coupe or 8 Series? LX600 or Land Cruiser? I pick Land Cruiser, and you? LaFerrari or P1? Valkyrie or AMG1? Panamera or RS7? Azure or Corniche? Would you rather B7 Alpine or S63 AMG? Would you rather Veyron or Enzo? Pick one, Revuelto or 812 Superfast? Speedtail or 177? What you chose? Would you rather RZ450 or EQ Sportback? Pick one, C Ali Coupe or 4 Series DC? MC20 or 750S? Would you rather SQ8 or X6M? Pick one. G80 Sport or S350F Sport? Would you rather Lyric or EQE? $718 Boxster or TTRS? The last one is Backler or Boottail. Comment your favorite car. Ready for your next challenge, and make sure to like and subscribe.